Master Carver, right? All right. So today we are just out with family and friends and visiting family up in Mountainview. And as you can see, there's a little party going on. It's kind of a party that is like a dual thing for, what do you call it? Their son has a birthday party, and then also the husband here, he is Chinese, so it's part of the Chinese New Year as well. So we're gonna hang out a little bit, but later on I will also, in this video, I will take a little walk and go out and feature the neighborhood a little bit. But for sure, I can't wait to dig into that baboy lechon. It looks good. It looks tender. I have had it a few times, and wow. Is that my plate?
Yeah, that's our plate.
So Janice loaded the plate. Let's get some more on there because that stuff is good. I don't eat the skin though, but the meat is good. With a little barbecue sauce, whatever, and it tastes good. All right, so family parties are part of common tradition here in the Philippines, and I'm, I try to adapt to it when they have their gathering. There's a lot of people, and food is the number one thing. So, and the other thing is, as you can hear in the background, is the karaoke. It'll play there for you all the time. So here's the gang. And, Filipinos are content, happy, and they try to make the best out of every single day, singing and having fun. So, a little shy maybe, but anyway, let's go ahead and go out and take a little walk. And if I didn't say it already, welcome to our life in the Philippines again. So we're gonna take a little walk and check out this neighborhood. I have been up here a few times, but this particular street, is new to me. So I'm just gonna walk down and take it easy. Anyway, I guess the name Mountainview comes from the fact that when you're out here walking around, in most streets on a sunny day, you can actually see Mount Arayat between the short streets. Today it's pretty cloudy, and it's expected to rain a little later on today, and I am not even sure we're going to be able to see that. But before I think it was like 2019 sometime. Me and Janice actually took a motorcycle ride up there and walked the park at Mountainview. We have a couple of videos there. I'll put a link or two in there. Philippine is pretty amazing in a sense that there's a lot to see. There's a lot of beautiful places. Um, However, everybody knows all this has been kind of dampened down from the fact that we had this slash on quote pandemic, and you know, you can wonder what the heck is going on here. Anyway, that's another side of the story. So let's go down here and see what's going on. You know, people are out. You you see the kids playing ball, as in this instance, and lot of things are looking like it's coming back to normal. We will see. I think a few months from now we will see a different scenario, and hopefully everybody can come back and enjoy their life, their family, their things. But you know, as we have been doing right now, it's been tough. Got to be honest, you know. I'm sick and tired of sitting inside, waiting for things to change and all that. All right, so let's go down this road and see what's going on here. This is just around Balibago. I think this is actually part of Balibago. You have some stores, you have some, small little businesses. Today there doesn't appear to be a whole lot of people out. I don't know why. Maybe Saturday afternoon, and everybody's having a good time partying, like the family is over there. How are you? Good? Yeah, we're good. That's another thing here. You're out walking around. You'd always get caught by people who want to talk, want to say hi. They see you with the camera, that kind of stuff. All right, well, I better get out of the way here. I was wondering. He had a speed bump, and apparently he had been coming here many times and knows how to deal with it. Anyway, this street here is Hadrian, not Adrian. It's an H in front of it, and that is up here in Mountainview. So right here on the corner, there's a trike station. It's a pretty calm day. Not a whole lot of activities and other things. So let's walk down here, and I think that take me back to the party. They are loud. They had like 2 karaokes, one inside, one outside. Yeah, and sometimes that get a little too much for me. The music doesn't match when that happens. So, but anyway, I figured I'd just go out and take a little walk. It's been a lot of overcast lately. Not too much of sun, a little bit of rain, unusual. It's not rainy season as of now, but I guess that's the way it goes. Anyway, so I'm back here. It's a typical family Filipino party. Karaoke, singing, having fun. A little beer, but me, I'll try to stay away from it because it's creating some problems and issues for my. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you soon again. Don't miss our live feeds on Sundays. Here we have one performer. Sunday 9:15 in Philippines, Saturday 8:15 p.m. We'll see you then. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.